And D2 stands for Deep Discoverer. And if you haven't looked at the online photographs of it, it's a monster. It's beautifully designed, and but it's also very large. And I don't know if the photographs really, I don't know if any of the photographs have a person standing by them. I know when I first saw it in reality, I was shocked at how tall it is.
Okay.
Leslie, sorry to interrupt. I just want to point out the polyp that you're looking at here looks like it has one tentacle curled into the mouth, which could be an indication that it's captured something and is feeding. That would be the way that they feed.
Oh, that's really interesting.
Also worth noting for the folks who are watching, this umbellula is a kind of sea pen, and we were just looking a few minutes ago at that question mark-shaped sea pen. So they're both in the order Pennatulaceae, and what they have in common is that they live in soft sediments. They're adapted to live in soft sediments, and so the base has kind of an anchor to the colony that can be inflated, and so holds it in place without being attached to a rock.
Well, this is a good spot for these guys then.
Absolutely, very characteristic of soft sediments where there's enough food.
And we've seen them.
See, normally these polyps, they have 8 tentacles that ring the mouth. You can really nicely see the mouth on that lower polyp, but you see the one on the upper left, one of those tentacles appears to be missing.
11, so it's pretty close to 12.
So it's curled over.
Oh yeah, I'm
Oh yeah, the upper right is missing a few.
Boiling.
This would be whether there's any chance of being able to scoop under it since it's so large.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the comments before about the scooping the sediment is because we were talking about the little red stick sea pens that we saw earlier. They were so small that it would be hard to grab with the manipulator.
Okay.
So there's a suggestion that we scoop it.
Yeah.
This one is so large that's not necessary. In this one you can see the polyps are arising on these little ridges. You can see there's this kind of like teeth.
Yeah.
So this may be different for the day. This looks to me a little bit like Halipterus.
We have any samples, so all bio boxes should be available.
Copy that. Yeah.
Any idea what they would be?
Yeah, the white dots are likely siphonozoids. So those would be highly modified polyps that have no tentacles. And in some species, they're used to store the eggs as they're developing. They also help channel water into and through the colony.
Good copy, Bridge. Thank you. Pilots, the ship is currently all stopped.
Thanks, Joe. Great, thanks. Looking down at you.
But the pilot's worried that it'll be cut with the blade.
I'll try to. I'll see what I can do.
Yeah, maybe if you grab the sediment with it.